Standard 8, Subject English. Unit 2, Learn More, Be Brighter. Today we learn Activity 4 and 5. Activity 4, your teacher will read the following story for you. Listen to your teacher and then read the story silently. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આગળના વિડીયોમાં આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 4 સોંગ ઓફ સોંગ સ્ટોરી જોઈ ગયા. હવે mark true or false for these sentences. Use T mark for true and F for false. Tansen agreed that he was the best singer. તો અહીં false આવશે, માટે અહીં F લખીશું. Sant Haridas live in a hut. True. Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. False. Sant Haridas અકબર્સ કોર્ટમાં નહીં આવ્યા હતા, અકબર એમના હટમાં ગયા હતા. Sant Haridas could not sing well. False. Tansen made some mistakes deliberately. True. The king agreed that Sant Haridas was a wonderful singer. True. What do these lines from the lesson means? Tick mark the correct answer. There is someone who sings better than I. તો અહીં what do these lines from the lesson means? Tick mark the correct answer. There is someone who sings better than I. A. I sing better than someone. B. Someone sings better than I do. C. Someone sings as well as I do. So B આવશે. Someone sings better than I do. માટે એની સામે રાઈટ કરવાનું રહેશે. સેકન્ડ, I am afraid he will not come. શહિંસા. A. I am afraid that he will come. B. I am not afraid of him. C. I am afraid that he will refuse to come. તો અહીં રાઈટ આવશે I am afraid that he will refuse to come. ત્યાં રાઈટ કહીશું. થર્ડ, but Tansen knew how to get round him. Tansen knew the way around. B. Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. And Tansen knew that he could go round them. Tansen જાણતો હતો કે એમના ગુરુને એણે કઈ રીતે મનાવી શકે. તો B આવશે. Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. Next, I sing at your command. A. I sing because you ask me to. B. Your command is musical for me. C. You sing at my command. અહીં રાઈટ આવશે I sing because you ask me. Okay, right answer. Fifth, 5 number. Guruji sings for one who is the king of kings. A. Guruji sings for one great king. B. Guruji sings for many kings. C. Guruji sings for God. So right answer C. Guruji sings for God. Right answer. Next, answer the following questions. Who sang better than Tansen? So Sant Haridas sang better than Tansen. Where did Sant Haridas live? Sant Haridas live in Vrindavan. Third question, why did Akbar decide to go to Sant Haridas hut? Akbar decided to go to Sant Haridas hut because he sang better than Tansen. What condition did Tansen put before the king? Tansen told Akbar that he could not go to Sant Haridas as a king. 5 number, how did Tansen get Sant Haridas to sing? So answer આવશે Tansen sang Rag Darbari but he made some mistake again and again. This made Sant Haridas angry, so he sang Rag Darbari the right way. Activity 5, Study the example and answer the following questions. Example: Ruchir weighs 40 kg and Rohit weighs 35 kg. 1. Rohit is lighter than Ruchir and Ruchir is heavier than Rohit. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અહીં કમ્પેરેટિવ ડિગ્રીનો ઉપયોગ થયો છે. હવે 1 નંબર જોઈએ. મિસ્ટર પટેલ ઇઝ 67 years old and મિસ્ટર પંડ્યા ઇઝ 70 years old. તો અહીં ફર્સ્ટ ફિલઅપમાં આવશે ડેશ ઇઝ ઓલ્ડર ધેન ડેશ. તો મિસ્ટર પંડ્યા, અહીં મિસ્ટર પંડ્યા આવશે. મિસ્ટર પંડ્યા ઇઝ ઓલ્ડર ધેન મિસ્ટર પટેલ. મિસ્ટર પંડ્યા ઇઝ ઓલ્ડર ધેન મિસ્ટર પટેલ. સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ આ રીતે થશે: મિસ્ટર પટેલ ઇઝ યંગર ધેન મિસ્ટર પંડ્યા. સેકન્ડ, સોનલ ઇઝ 5 feet tall and Sonu is 4 feet tall. તો ફર્સ્ટમાં આવશે સોનલ ઇઝ taller than સોનુ. સોનલ is taller than Sonu. And second sentence, Sonu is shorter than Sonal. આ રીતે અહીં થશે. Rosie has 10 toys અને Razia has 9 toys. Who has more toys than whom? તો Rosie has more toys than Razia. તો અહીં Rosie આવશે. Who has less toys than whom? Razia has. Razia has less toys than whom? Mahesh drinks 2 glass of water, glass of milk. Naresh drinks 1 glass of milk. Who drinks more than whom? Mahesh drinks more than Naresh. Mahesh drinks more than Naresh. Who drinks less than whom? Naresh drinks less than Mahesh. Okay, next. Write yes or no in the bracket. A state is bigger than a district. તો yes, અહીં yes લખીશું. A state is bigger than a district, કે જિલ્લા કરતાં રાજ્ય મોટું હોય છે. અહીં yes. A country is smaller than state. No. A town is larger than a district. No. A village is the smallest of all. Yes. A city is as big as village. No. Fill in the blanks using words from the brackets. Elephant, hippo, rat, rabbit, horse and deer. First, a dash is smaller than a rabbit. In this way, fill up rat. A rat is smaller than a rabbit. Second, a is smaller than a horse but bigger than a rabbit. Deer. Deer is smaller than a horse but bigger than a rabbit. Third, a is the biggest animal of all. Elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal of all. A hippo and elephant are heavier than a horse. elephant are heavier than a horse. A dash and dash are heavier than a horse. તો અહીં પણ હિપ્પો and elephant. The ખાલી જગ્યા is the smallest of these animals. તો અહીં આવશે rat. The rat is the smallest of these animal. Next, answer the questions. Write one word answer using words from the bracket. Answer the questions. Write one word answer using words from the brackets. Plane, bus, bullock cart, bicycle, bullet, train. A bus is faster than bicycle. Bicycle. A train is longer than a bus. A bullock cart is slower than bicycle. And fourth one, which is the fastest among all these? Plane. So, friends, આ એક્ટિવિટીમાં તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે.